Hey there, quiz lovers! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Fun Facts Quiz, where we dive into the most intriguing and surprising facts from around the world. Ready to dive into some surprising facts that'll have you mastering trivia night in no time? Whether you're a trivia novice or a seasoned pro, we've got something for everyone. Let's jump right in. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. First up, what would a Scotsman do with a Spurtle? Any ideas? Nope. It's not a magical creature or a new sport. It might sound like something out of a fantasy novel, but it's actually quite practical. A Spurtle is actually a traditional Scottish tool used for stirring porridge. This unique utensil has been a staple in Scottish kitchens for centuries. Picture a wooden spoon, but even better for getting that creamy, perfect consistency. Its cylindrical shape helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth texture. Makes you wish you had one for your morning oats, right? Imagine starting your day with a bowl of perfectly stirred porridge. Moving on to something a bit more heroic. Which award has the words "for valor" inscribed on it? Any guesses? It's the Victoria Cross. This prestigious award is a symbol of the highest military honor. This prestigious military decoration is awarded for extraordinary bravery in combat. It's given to those who have shown exceptional courage and selflessness. A true symbol of courage. The recipients of this award are celebrated for their incredible acts of valor. Now, let's talk about something a bit quirky. If you had pogonophobia, what would you be afraid of? Any beard enthusiasts out there might find this one interesting. Any beard enthusiasts out there? Well, pogonophobia is the fear of beards. Yes, you heard that right. Well, pogonophobia is the fear of beards. So if you're clean-shaven, you might just be someone's hero without even knowing it. Imagine that. Your smooth face could be a source of comfort for someone. So if you're clean-shaven, you might just be someone's hero without even knowing it. Keep that razor handy. Ever wondered who would take silk as part of their job? Sounds fancy, doesn't it? In the legal world, taking silk means becoming a Queen's Counsel, or QC for short. This is a significant achievement in a barrister's career. These are senior barristers recognized for their exceptional ability and experience. They are often involved in high-profile cases and provide expert legal advice. Talk about leveling up in the courtroom. Becoming a QC is a mark of distinction and respect in the legal profession. Oscar time. Who won the Best Actor award for his role in The African Queen? Drumroll. It's Humphrey Bogart. This legendary actor delivered a performance for the ages. This classic film brought Bogart his only Academy Award, and it's still a must-watch for any movie buff. His portrayal in the film remains iconic to this day. And finally, let's end on a musical note. Who sang the iconic theme song in 9 to 5? That's right, the Queen of Country herself, Dolly Parton. Her voice and charisma made the song unforgettable. That's right, the Queen of Country herself, Dolly Parton. This song not only topped the charts, but also became an anthem for working folks everywhere. This catchy tune not only topped the charts, but also became an anthem for working folks everywhere. It's a song that resonates with many and continues to inspire. So, how did you do? Learned something new? We hope these fun facts have added a few more arrows to your trivia quiver. I hope these surprising facts brought a smile to your face and a few extra points to your trivia score. Remember, knowledge is power, and fun facts make it even better. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun facts and trivia challenges. See you next time. Stay curious and keep quizzing.